Okay, be honest. Have you ever had one of those days where you're tired, you're not in the mood, you're not feeling cute, and then you walk past a mirror and your hair looks good. And suddenly you're like, wait, I'm fine. I'm better than fine. Like you could answer every email, go to brunch, run into your ex, and still look unbothered. If you've ever thought, why does my hair affect my mood this much? You're not alone. And today, I'm going to tell you exactly why it happens, because it's not random. Hey, real quick, if you need a quick hair rescue on busy mornings, go grab my free download, the Good Hair Energy Emergency Kit. It's packed with under 5-minute fixes for greasy roots, frizz, flat hair, and flyaways. Link is in the description. If you love great hair, honest tips, and a little extra good energy, you're in the right place. I'm Danise, and I've been doing hair for over 30 years, and I can tell you this, a good hair day is never just about hair. It's about confidence, it's about energy, and honestly, it's about remembering who you are. So let's talk about it. Here's the truth. Your hair is one of the first things you notice about yourself. It frames your face, it's in every picture, it's how you present yourself to the world. So when your hair feels like you feel like you. And when it doesn't, you can feel off. Like you don't want to be seen, like you want to throw on a hat and cancel all your plans. And listen, that doesn't make you shallow. It makes you human. First, it changes how you carry yourself. I swear. On a good hair day, people stand taller. They smile more. They talk more. They stop touching their hair every 7 seconds. And they just show up differently. 2, it gives you a sense of control. Life gets chaotic. Schedules get messy, hormones get wild, stress shows up uninvited. So when your hair looks good, your brain goes, okay, at least this is working. And that tiny win, it matters. 3rd reason, hair is tied to your identity. I've watched this behind the chair for decades. People don't just want a haircut, they want a fresh start. They don't just want highlights, they want to feel bright again. They don't just want to cover gray, they want to feel like themselves again. Hair holds emotion. Hair holds memories. Number 4, the mirror effect is real. What you see affects what you believe. When you look in the mirror and you like what you see, your mood shifts because you're thinking, okay, I've got this. Hair is a sensory and it physically changes how you feel. Soft hair feels good. Clean hair feels good. Bouncy hair feels good. And when your body feels good, your brain feels better. That's why washing your hair after a long week feels like a reset. It's not extra, it's therapy. Okay, now I want to help you out here because I don't want you relying on luck for confidence. Here's my 10-minute confidence reset. And you don't need a full glam routine. You just need a few tiny steps that make you feel like yourself again. Number 1, refresh the roots. Yeah, a little dry shampoo, a quick blow dry, even just lifting the root with warm air for 30 seconds, it does make a difference. Step 2, you can smooth the halo. A tiny bit of serum or smoothing cream around the hairline and the top layer. Number 3, add one intentional detail. This is the part that changes everything. You might want to flip your part, you might want to add a clip, you might want to just curl the ends a little bit, you might want to do just a sleek low pony that looks intentional instead of, I give up. You also want to finish with your signature move. This is your I'm back move. Maybe it's shine spray, maybe it's texture spray, Maybe it's brushing it out softly so it looks touchable. You don't need perfect. You just need to look in the mirror and go, yep, that's me. Let me say this clearly. Taking care of your hair is not shallow. It's self-respect, it's confidence, it's you deciding you deserve to feel good. And if you've ever felt guilty about that, I want you to drop that guilt right now, because looking good isn't the goal. Feeling good is the goal. So here's the takeaway. A good hair day doesn't make you more worthy. It just helps you remember who you are. And we love that. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. And you know what? If you want a little feel-good energy delivered right to your doorstep every month, go check out the Good Hair Energy subscription box in the link below. And also click the link to download the free cheat sheet PDF. Check out the Good Hair Energy box, and remember, when you know better, you do better.